video, we are going to explore more about reflection coefficient and S11. So here I am going to consider the same case where we have a source and we have the antenna, and this antenna is fed by the cable, and if there is any impedance mismatch between this cable and the antenna, some part of the incident wave will be reflected back. So considering this scenario, the reflection coefficient is defined as the ratio of the reflected power to the incident power. So this reflection coefficient is represented by this symbol, and it is always a constant number. So it will be having some magnitude and phase. So magnitude will represent the indication about the magnitude of the reflected power with respect to the incident power, and the phase will gives an information about the phase difference between reflected voltage and the incident voltage. Now we can see what S11 is. So if we consider this antenna position as a port where the feed is coming into the antenna, we can define S11 as the scattering parameter, where it measures the reflection at the port 1, and the S11 in dB is defined as 20 log 10 of tau, that is the reflection coefficient. So this is the expression for the S11. So S11 refers to the reflection at the port where antenna and the feed line are connected. For the acceptable level of S11, we can say that we know that the acceptable level of voltage reflection is around 33%. Based on that, we can calculate accepted level of S11. So based on this, accepted level of S11 is calculated as minus 10 dB. This indicates that if we have a S11 which is less than or equal to minus 10 dB, the antenna is performing well, or only 10% of power is getting reflected back, or only 33% of voltage is getting reflected back. So that is this measure of S11. So next part of the video will be about the relation between VSWR return loss and S11. Thank you.